Hey guys, very good morning to all of you. And in this video, we will talk about graph writing vocabulary. And now let's start with the line graph. As you can see, for increase, you can use rise, go up, uplift, rocketed, climb, upsurge, and show. And guys, as you can see, for gradually or slowly, you can use climb, and for slumped, you can use plummeted, and for leveled off, you can use stabilized, and for dropped, you can use decline or slightly, and for increase, you can use sharply or dramatically. And for cars, you can use automobiles, motor vehicles, and vehicle. So guys, in this way you can use synonyms of different kind of words and verb to show variety in your writing task 1. And now let's move to the word phrases of approximation. Firstly, you can say approximately, nearly, roughly, almost, about, around, more or less, just over, just under, just around, just about, just below, a little more than, a little less than. So, guys, in this way, you can use this verb and phrases to show approximation in any writing task 1 which is related to pie chart or table chart. And for proportion, for 2% you can use a tiny proportion, a very small proportion. And for 4% you can write an insignificant minority, an insignificant proportion. And for 16% you can write a small minority, a small portion. For 70%, a large proportion, and 72%, a significant majority, a significant proportion. For 89, you can write a very large proportion, and 89 also you can use a very large proportion. So guys, in this way you can increase the word or vocabulary of your writing task, and you can easily score good band. And if you want to show fractions, you can use for 4% a tiny fraction, 24 almost a quarter. As you know, 100 का quarter होता है 24%. So you can use 25%. So for 24% you can say almost a quarter, 25% exactly a quarter, 26% roughly one quarter, 32 nearly one third, nearly a third, 49 around a half, just under a half. Guys, as you can see, 49 is exactly not half, not 50%. So you can say around a half or just under half. And for 50%, exactly half. 51%, just over a half. 73, nearly three quarter. 77, approximately three quarter, more than three quarter. 79, well over three quarter. So guys, this is a very good way to write proportion and fraction in your writing task 1, mostly which related to line chart, pie chart, and table chart. So guys, if you find this video useful, then like, subscribe, and share my channel.